Hello friends, Sanjay Purohit. We would like to see question paper 4 from Hardik paper set, English. Now we are on rampant of these videos. We have prepared from Marvel, Hardik, Gala, Liberty. So students have to prepare lot many things at a time. Go on watching my video and subscribe my channel as well as keep preparing for your board exam. First of all, I would like to read section A. Read the following passage and select the appropriate answer from the option given below. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless. Listless means without energy. Wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Brooding means thinking upon. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read their stiff backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should even find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. So, Anne Frank was not having many friends. Best friend, diary. So, question number 1. Who is narrator? Who is the narrator? Option B, Anne Frank. Option B, Anne Frank. Question 2. Select the correct antonym of the word cheerful. So, depressed. Option A, depressed. When someone is not cheerful, it is said to be in depression. Depressed. Number 3. Select the correct synonym of the word unenergetic. That's what I told you. Unenergetic. Option B, listless. Option B, listless. And find out the false statement among that means you have to recall the paragraph that what I mentioned. The narrator was in a very cheerful mood. Actually, she was not at all in the cheerful mood. So option B. बाकी के तीन भी मैं पढ़ के बताता हूँ. Paper has more patience than people. ये true है. Narrator did not want anyone else to read her diary. बराबर वो तो प्रॉपर है, ट्रू है. Narrator was not able to decide whether to stay in or go out. ये भी ट्रू है. But ये ट्रू नहीं है. Narrator was in a very cheerful mood. She was actually in depression. चारों के चारों क्वेश्चन हमने देख लिए पैराग्राफ से. अब fill in the blanks choosing the correct words given in the bracket and rewrite it. Not a leaf remain on the tree. Question number 5 में leaf. The dash means corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. When storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. तो मैंने सब आंसर तो बता दिया, बट अब टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आएगा लिफ, नंबर 6 में आएगा कौन, नंबर 7 में आएगा सैडनेस, नंबर 8 में आएगा प्लेग. यहाँ पे 5, 6, 7, 8 इन सीक्वेंस है. नाउ स्ट्रेट अवे अगर हम लोग देखें तो what is the boy now who has lost his ball? What he is to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. How did the ball bouncing? The ball was bouncing merrily, joyfully. Where did the ball finally go? The ball finally go down the street, right? And over there in the water. I repeat, where did the ball finally go? Ball finally went in down the street and merrily over there in the water. दो क्वेश्चन के आंसर बता दिए. अब आपका फेवरेट क्वेश्चन, फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. I patterned the soft dust with my hush bare feet. I patterned the soft dust with my hush bare feet. एक आवाज हश. bare feet मतलब बिना शूज चप्पल के. अब देखो यहाँ पे विच काइंड ऑफ फीट इज देयर, तो क्या बेयर फीट. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज ट्रांसफर्ड एफिटेट. बाकी के ऑप्शन सुनोगे, सिमिली, नो वे, लाइक, सो, एज नहीं है, रिपीटेशन भी कहीं पे भी नहीं है, और लिटोर्स जैसा भी कुछ भी नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई आई पैटर्न द सॉफ्ट डस्ट विथ माय हस बेयर फीट ट्रांसफर एफिटेड. नंबर 16, बट इफ इट हैड टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, तो इट्स अ हाइपरबोल. एक बार जो खत्म हो गया वो वापस से कैसे खत्म होगा? इट्स अ हाइपरबोल, राइट. बाकी के ऑप्शन है लिटोर्स, जो यहाँ पे सूट नहीं करेगा, एलिट्रेशन भी नहीं है एंड सिमिली भी नहीं है. तो योर आंसर इज हाइपरबोल, मींस exaggeration, it is an overstatement. Then we will see rectify the error. तो अगर आप लोग देखेंगे rectify the error, but nobody, not even Peggy yet, yet के बदले and. 24, Maddie, the girls who start all, start के बदले started. A fun, notice her absence. A fun के बदले the fun आएगा. But in Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, Peggy in Wednesday नहीं आएगा, on Wednesday आएगा. Whom sat down front with other children, whom नहीं, who sat down. Who got good mark and who didn't, who got good marks आएगा mark के बदले. और track in a whole lot of mud, no error. तो मैं वापिस आपको बता दूं, इसका पीडीएफ मैं बच्चों को भेज दूंगा. 23 yet के बदले and, मैं 24 स्टार्ट के बदले स्टार्टेड. बाकी सबको ऐसे ही सुनना पड़ेगा. 25 में ए के बदले द. 26 में इन वेनसडे के बदले ऑन वेनसडे. 27 में हुम सेट के बदले हु सेट. 28 में मार्क के बदले मार्क्स. अब ब्लैंक्स देखते हैं. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग आर्टिकल, कंजंक्शन एंड प्रपोजिशन. द सन वॉज नाउ असेंडिंग द स्काई आएगा. Blazing on his ledge that faced the south, he felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 में द स्काई आएगा, आर्टिकल द. हिज ledge में आगे आर्टिकल ऑन आएगा. 31 में दैट फेस आएगा. 32 में द हीट आएगा. 33 में because he had not eaten. 34 में since the previous nightfall. तो 29 the, 30 on, 31 that, 32 the, 33 because and 34 since. अब convert the following into indirect speech देखना है. पहले मैं क्वेश्चन बोलूंगा. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. Yeah, all silk, all colors, said Wanda Petronsky. Velvet too, asked Peggy. यहाँ पे तीन तीन ही है, एक का एक मार्क है. ध्यान से सुनना क्वेश्चन वापिस. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. Yeah, all silk, all colors, said Wanda. Velvet too, asked Peggy. अब मैं आपको इसका आंसर बताता हूं. Peggy asked what they were all like and then added that she bet all were silk. Wanda agreed that all were silk and added that they were all colors. Peggy wanted to know if they were of velvet too. वापिस से ध्यान से देखो. Peggy asked what they were all like and then added that she bet all were silk, sorry. Wanda agreed that all were silk and added that they were all colors. Peggy wanted to know, या तो Peggy asked if they were if of velvet too. और अब आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर के बाद, सॉरी, कन्वर्ट इनडायरेक्ट के बाद हम देखने वाले हैं डू एस डायरेक्टेड. तो डू एस डायरेक्टेड के लिए आप तैयार हो जाओ. इसका पहले है, इसमें है ना ऑप्शन नहीं होता है. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it. Make it compound. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it. तो इसका आंसर आपको मिलेगा he was near the sea now and was flying straight over it. आपको सिलेबस में नहीं है, फिर भी दो वर्ब चाहिए और कनेक्टिव को कंपाउंड में एंड, यट, बट और इधर और नीदर नॉट, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, इतने कनेक्टिव्स आते हैं. मैं आंसर आपको वापस बता दूं. He was near the sea now and was flying straight over it. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है चेंज द वॉइस, जो अपने सिलेबस में है. द कॉर्न वॉज टोटली डेस्ट्रॉयड. द कॉर्न वॉज टोटली डेस्ट्रॉयड. तो इट या तो हेलस्टॉर्म, इट या तो द हेलस्टॉर्म टोटली डेस्ट्रॉय द क्रॉप. इट या तो द हेलस्टॉर्म टोटली डेस्ट्रॉय द क्रॉप. अब क्वेश्चन क्या है, नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन टैग, वो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा आता है. He wandered for 7 years. He wandered for 7 years, didn't he? He wandered for 7 years, didn't he? Then, why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? Assertive. Why should you stand when you have paid for the seat? Conductor पूछता है वल्ली को. You should not stand when you have paid for the seat. You should not stand when you have paid for the seat. ये आपका assertive था. एंड लास्ट वन डिग्री है, जो आपको सिलेबस में नहीं है, फिर भी देख लेते हैं. मैडी वॉज हर क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड. मैडी वॉज हर क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो इसका आंसर आएगा नो अदर फ्रेंड ऑफ हर्स वॉज एज क्लोज एज मैडी. नो अदर फ्रेंड ऑफ हर्स वॉज एज क्लोज एज मैडी. ये था आपका पॉजिटिव. एज के बदले सो आएगा यहाँ पे, राइट, सो एज आएगा, सॉरी. तो नो अदर फ्रेंड ऑफ हर वॉज सो क्लोज एज मैडी. बट इसका अगर कंपैरेटिव बनाते हो तो मैडी वॉज हर क्लोजर, मैडी was closer than any other friend. Maddie was closer than any other friend. ऐसा आएगा. So यहाँ पे छोटा सा मैंने एक वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश की. If you feel that this is good, right, you can not only see the video, share the video, subscribe my channel, and also ask other to do so. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Have a nice day.